Welcome back. Today we're visiting the world of Avatar at Disney's Animal Kingdom and setting sail on a bioluminescent adventure, the Navi River Journey. You've been invited by the Shaman of Songs to visit the exo-moon of Pandora, where she hopes to demonstrate the interconnection between the Navi people and their environment. The entrance to the attraction is nestled within the exotic Pandoran foliage, with an outdoor queue leading to the Navi encampment that acts as the departure point for your river journey. Climbing aboard a reed boat, you begin the journey along the Casvapan River, one of the most secluded and sacred spots on the planet. As the gentle current carries you deeper into the heart of Pandora, the air is thick with the sounds of the rainforest. And you sit in awe of your glowing surroundings as your journey continues under the watchful eye of a Navi guide. Passing through this richly themed world, you'll encounter tons of Pandoran plants and animals. The bioluminescent plants and creatures come alive in the darkness, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Glowing flowers illuminate the path, while exotic fish shimmer beneath the water's surface. Make sure to look all around you, including above, to take in all the sights of the Navi River journey. You'll see viper wolves, wood sprites, and other Pandoran wildlife mingling with the enchanted glowing plants. The technical wizardry and special effects in this attraction help bring the rich environment to life, with lizards jumping to and from the leaves that hang above your head. The effect is simple but effective, combining practical and projection effects, but the result adds a feeling of authenticity to your surroundings. Venturing further downriver, you'll start to hear the Navi music playing, which grows louder, building in anticipation. The inspiring tune is accompanied by lyrics sung in the Navi language, which shares many similarities with Polynesian languages. The words call out to Ewa, the Great Mother, who is the guiding force between all of the ecosystems on Pandora, which allows all species to live in harmony and balance with their environment. Finally, you encounter the Shaman of Songs, who is in the middle of a ceremony, playing Navi musical instruments and celebrating her spiritual connection to the nature of Pandora. Standing at nearly 10 feet tall, the shaman leaves guests in awe as she demonstrates her deep connection with the life force of Pandora, sending positive energy out into the forest through the power of her music. This inspiring encounter will leave you to reflect on the beauty and wonder of Pandora and its celebration of nature, bioluminescence, and the deep connection between the Navi and their planet. The Navi River Journey is richly themed and uses high-end technology to create a detailed and immersive environment. And the Shaman of Songs animatronic is equally impressive, demonstrating a level of fluidity and realism that have never before been seen. Her movement, combined with the intricately detailed facial features, will make guests feel as if they're literally watching a real Navi creature. However, the ride does receive some criticism for its long wait time, lack of thrills, and for only having one main animatronic, with the rest of the creatures relying on projections. So what did you think? Does the Navi River Journey transport you into the heart of Pandora, or is it just a good excuse for a nap? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're looking for more theme park adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.